The change in climatic conditions in a particular location can have both negative and positive impact on the surroundings. In one such event, 2 cars were damaged after strong winds blew down a tree situated at the premises of the Khasi Autonomous District Council in Shillong. As per witness accounts, the tree, which had weakened due to age, had fallen on the vehicle that included that of the additional judge of the District Council Court, Myrten, bearing registration number ML05 X 6093, and on another belonging to the First Class Magistrate of the Subordinate District Council Court, W Phira, bearing registration number ML05 U 0027. After the incident that occurred at around 1 p.m. on the afternoon of the 28th of March 2023, both owners of the vehicles had filed FIRs at the Lomdingri police station as both cars parked near the District Council Court were damaged.